getting on great. Angela is, I suppose Angela is very used to the limelight in her own way. She's been performing, you know, as a one piece up in Fintona in the north of Ireland, and from the very first time I heard her sing last year, I thought she had something very, very special. So she's getting on great, yeah. As a career, I suppose, professionally, I started in 1997, and the one thing that I felt stood to me was that I had a song that was my own. And I think, you know, you have to create your own identity, and it's a great way to create an identity with your own special song, whether that be a very old song or whether it be an original song. That's one thing I would say. It's not much different, really. I suppose it takes a little bit of getting used to. I started, the first time I was on the television, I was 12. I was on the Late Late Show back in 1991, and it was a daunting experience for a 12-year-old. But the more you do, it's like everything else. The more you do, the more you get used to it. And if you can just think that the cameras are not there and just treat it like an ordinary night, I think it's the best approach. You know, in this country, you know, there are so many to mention, and no matter who you mention, you leave out people. People like Margot, Big Tom Foster, and Alan Daniel O'Donnell, T.R. Dallas, all the Irish singers. I love them all. You know, music is my life. I have a piano in the house, and although it might seem very boring, when I come home, I love to sit at the piano and write. I like writing music, and I wrote many of the songs that I sing now on the show. So I like that. Other than music and performing, I swim most days. I love walking. I cycle. I'm not a keep fit fanatic, but I do enjoy walking, cycling, and swimming. It's Misha Michael English, fake or GlórTíre, Gach Céadaoin or TG4.